Repairing and sealing cracks and holes in stucco. Stucco is one of the most durable wall surfaces available, but because of its rigid nature, stucco can develop cracks and holes over time due to settling and impact damage. Once a crack or hole develops, it is important to seal it from water to prevent further deterioration. Flexible sealants are the best solution for cracks that are subjected to continual wall movement because they will allow the stucco wall to shift without affecting the repair. Proper attention to crack preparation is essential to achieving a successful result. Using a chisel and hammer, widen the crack to a minimum of 1/4 inch and break away any deteriorating material. The edges of the crack should be vertical or beveled in an inverted V. Then, remove the loose material with a brush. For cracks less than 1/2 inch wide, several repair caulk and sealant products are available from QUIKRETE. QUIKRETE Stucco Repair is a sanded acrylic caulk designed to match the texture of the surrounding stucco surface. Stucco Repair can be used on horizontal or vertical surfaces and dries to a firm, durable material. To apply Stucco Repair, simply cut the nozzle tip on an angle with a utility knife to match the width of the crack and load into a standard caulk gun. Slowly draw the gun down the crack, forcing a bead of Stucco Repair caulk deep into the crack. Stucco Repair can be tooled with a trowel to match the surrounding surface immediately after placement. Stucco Repair will begin to form a skin in about 20 to 40 minutes and will harden completely in 1 to 2 hours depending on temperature, humidity, and crack depth. Stucco Repair should be applied only when temperatures are between 40 and 90 degrees and should be allowed to cure for 24 hours before painting with a water-based paint. Stucco Repair is a water-based product that can be cleaned up easily with a damp cloth. For small, non-structural, aesthetic repairs to stucco, QUIKRETE Pre-Mixed Stucco Patch is an easy-to-use alternative. Stucco Patch is a pre-mixed, ready-to-use acrylic latex formula for making repairs to cracks, holes, spalls, and breaks up to 1/4 inch wide. Pre-mixed stucco patch dries quickly to a durable, flexible finish that blends with the texture of the surrounding stucco. For patches or cracks over 1/4 inch thick, pre-mixed stucco patch should be applied in multiple layers, allowing each layer to dry before applying the next. Pre-mixed stucco patch will begin to form a skin in about 20 to 40 minutes and will harden completely in 1 to 2 hours, depending on temperature, humidity, and patch depth. Pre-mixed stucco patch should only be applied when temperatures are between 50 and 90 degrees and should be allowed to cure for 72 hours before painting with a water-based paint.